All right, I think it's time to go out and get a coffee. See, if people lived in this area, this is what they would definitely be seeing every single day. They could come over here and just go down Main Street. I'm actually going north towards the track. Track is right over here. As you can see, there's the racetrack. I'm coming up to the roundabout. And this is just a great area. And especially at nighttime on the weekends, I come down here all the time. It's safe. There's people just out walking, especially walking their dogs. Just a great area. We're going to go around the roundabout. The roundabout right now here in this area, they're making a memorial. I believe it's the Al Unser Senior Memorial. Got a race that's coming up this weekend, which is the road course race. There's Founders Ground. We're going to go in there. Let's just see if I can find me a real quick place to park. I think somebody already nabbed the spot I was looking for. Nope, they didn't. There's my spot right there. It, right now, there's a lot of traffic. People are getting ready for the race and stuff. As you can see, a welcome sign up here at the Speedway. There's Dawson's. Just a great area just to be out and just relax. Walking around is not high stress. Apartments up there. I mean, I've given you guys these tours before. You can see the Speedway here. Imagine living up there where you can see that Speedway. All right, we're going to go in here and get a coffee. Founders Ground has punch cards. I've got one full, and I'm almost, well, I got one more punch on this one. Get it all filled up. There is the Speedway, the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, where IndyCar is. Got people sitting. Hey, how you doing? Hey, thanks, sir. Hey there.
How are you today?
Hey, doing great. I'm going to do the Dirty Blonde,
All right.
and we're going to do that iced, please.
And then do you want 24 ounces or 20 ounces?
Let's just do the 20 today, please.
Is whole milk okay in it?
Yeah, that's cool.
What else for you?
That is it. And I got a punch card.
All right.
Well, no, it's not full, but I just need a punch on.
Perfect. And what's your name?
Hunter, you guys been busy?
72.
Have you been busy today?
Honestly, I just got in at 10, so I've only been here. So it's been pretty chill since I've gotten here, but
It's
I
been
bet
pretty
they were
chill.
busy.
You guys are always pretty steady when I
I
come in.
know. Yeah, literally.
I
I'm
love it.
surprised. I'm like, because I used to work at Daredevil down the street. I don't know if you know that place.
Yeah.
But I'm like, I'm just surprised how many people get coffee and stuff every day. But
Yeah,
I'm glad
like
about
me.
it. Yeah, I know. No, I'm in school. I'm gonna get coffee here today.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Cool. Cool. All right. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, I forgot to ask you. Do you guys have Wi-Fi here?
Wi-Fi?
Hmm.
It's under Speedway.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. All right, I tried to go ahead and import those videos, but right now I'm not able to get connected. You can see people out walking around. So let's just see how far we are from the listing there on 2114 North Auburn. So let's look at this. Look, it says literally 2 minutes. All right, let's get our directions here. If we're going to walk that, it'll be 15 minutes to be able to go to there from here. Nice, easy walk. There's a trail that runs down along Crawfordsville Road. You'd have to cross over here, just walk up there casually. Also, they have. Let's go back over here. That's the walk. Okay, so let's go back to the directions. Now, if you were to bike, still, we're looking at 5 minutes there, 15 minutes to walk, and 2 minutes to actually drive there. So if you're wanting a coffee every single day, literally 2 minutes to be able to get from 2114 North Auburn over here to Founders Grounds. Well, basically up here at 16th and Main Street, it'd take you 2 minutes to get here. Now, if you had a golf cart, it'd probably take you, I would say, probably 5 minutes because you have to go down. There's a certain way you have to cross, and I believe it's going down to Winton at the light. If you had a golf cart, you'd have to cross over Winton and then come down Winton to 16th Street. I believe it is. That's the correct way. And then you could access Main Street if you had a golf cart, which this is a golf cart approved community if you have a permit for the golf cart, and you have to get that through the city of Speedway. All right, so let's check out exactly what it said. I did a real quick search of who my buyer would be, and let's see if there's any. Okay, so what it says is for the house for 2114 North Auburn Street, it says race enthusiast, motorsports fans, Indy 500 visitors, great for investors, also strong draw for investors and smart short-term rentals. Race weekends like this weekend, we have a race on the road course. It says Speedway's got a pretty diverse crowd, younger, medium, age around 35, solid mix of locals and folks, drawn by racing scene. So if you like racing, that is the perfect location in my opinion, professional opinion. And if you love, I can envision that the buyer, they this is, I'm not steering or anything like this, and they want someplace that is a mature community, trees, golf cart approved community, and just a great vibe with racing fans and neighbors that all love racing. So, I just see that as being the typical person who might be interested. Now, as far as fair housing goes, anybody could be interested in this. Speedway has a strong demographics of people in this area, and you just never know who might really enjoy living there. So, all right. So, if you live down here, you would. If you're looking for grocery stores, there are a couple different grocery stores. It's Aldi and Kroger. Those are the main ones that are right on Crawfordsville Road in between Main Street all the way up to 465. There's two there. If you go down on 10th Street, there is a Walmart Marketplace grocery store there. If you wanted Meijer, you would have to go out on US 36. There's one out in Avon, or there's a brand new one that is opening up, a brand new Meijer that's opening up on 56th Street, right off of Ronald Reagan. So you have options as far as where to go. Now, this area here, I have not been able to verify it. Supposedly a bank's supposed to come in here and possibly a meat market. Now, if there was a meat market that came in this area, oh my gosh, that would be awesome. I think they'd be busy all the time, in my personal opinion. So we got a food restaurant, the Santa's Pit Stop, ice cream place down here. We got barbecue, uh, Mexican. There's a barber shop. Further down, we got a brewery, Big Woods. Let me see what else we got. There's a tavern back here, O'Reilly's. Let me see a donut shop. I haven't been in there. Let's go down here. I like to go into Dawson's, get their beef tips. Usually, when I go in there, I get their beef tips and then a side of grilled chicken breast, blackened grilled chicken breast. So I can eat there if you want an all protein, $20. See how they do parking. So they got outdoor seating, as you can see here, but it's closed up right now. But it's great vibe whenever they got it up, and it just feels good in there. There's the barbecue place. I can smell some food down through here. Barbecue and bourbon, they have outdoor seating. And right above, which I just realized that a couple months ago, Founders Ground started up there above barbecue and bourbon. All right. I got some work to do. Right back here is where they smoke the meats, have barbecue and bourbon. Bike trail over there, walking trail, nice wide sidewalks through here. You can hear the birds chirping. They got benches down here, just like an outdoor palladium area. People go there and they play music. If you come down through here on a weekday or weekend during the 500 when everything's really kicking off, you'll probably see possibly Doug Bowles, the president of IMS. They made actually a coffee named after him in Founders Ground, and that is called the President. This right here I have is the Dirty Blonde, and it is iced, 20-ounce light ice, whole milk. Not really too picky on what goes in it. It's pretty good. It's my favorite. All right, so here's the Indianapolis Motors. See, here's the road course right there. It starts at 4:30 on the 9th, and the 110th running of the Indianapolis 500. It says on the at 10 a.m. That's when festivities kick off, but it's actually I think the race starts at around 1 o'clock. If you want some Mexican place, definitely go in and check out Tacos and Tequila. Tacos and Tequila, they're probably worn out from yesterday being, what was it? Oh, Cinco de Mayo. All right, let's go ahead and jump in the car. I got to get back, edit this video, get it up, answer some questions about 2114 and any other things that anybody else want to know about real estate here in the metropolitan Indianapolis area. All right. Oh, hang on a second. All right, let's head over and head home and let's get some stuff done. Head over to the office. All right, there you go, guys. That is Main Street, and that is right at what time are we at? And oh, there we are, 11 o'clock on a weekday. Right here, there's condos that are up on top of this building here, and those when they first came out were about 300. And there's people that are race fans that come in, they buy those, and then they'll come in and okay, there's Dallara over here to the left, and Dallara is where all the chassis are made for the IndyCar. All right there. AJ Foyt Racing, which is that's his brewery in there, not the brewery, but the wine place in there. Daredevil Brewing, Speedway Indoor Karting up to the left. There's a great driver right there. And Charlie Brown's. Charlie Brown's, I have not been there in a while. It's a pancake and steak place, and there's a lot of people. This is always packed, and whenever the racing season goes on, it is going to be slammed in there. And there's the Big Woods Brewery that I was talking about, and they got burgers, pizza, beer, all kinds of stuff. So you have a lot of stuff going on down in this area, and it's just a really cool vibe. Come down here, park your car, and go walk. And they do have what's called DORA, designated outdoor refreshment area, and you can go in locations, buy an alcoholic beverage in their cup, and walk around with it. So it has to be in like a styrofoam cup, that kind of thing. You can't have like a bottled beer, but you can walk around. Speedway, Indiana is known. There's famous tomato. Speedway, Indiana is known for DORA, designated outdoor refreshment area. So there's signage down through there. If you want to get educated on that, just go ahead and read the signs, and it'll let you know what you can do. And I know when they block off Main Street, whenever they have some activities and stuff like that, and people out, walking around with alcohol, they're just not, cans and glass, the Dora district, just not, I don't know how I say that. The police aren't going to mess with you, but they might tell you that you can't have those kind of things. I'm not really sure. So there you go. A great reason to live at 2114 North Auburn Street.